I am at Creekfire RV Resort in Savannah, Georgia. You will not believe what this campground offers. If you enjoy this video, please smash that like and subscribe button. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. The campsites are nothing short of amazing with 50 amp, 30 amp, 20 amp, water, sewage, a picnic table, a burn ring, and a very level pad. Quite a few are actually concrete. This is a great campsite. And then there's sites like this. Looking right at the water on a concrete pad. This campground's amazing. This site has full hookup, 50 amp, 30 amp water and sewage, along with a picnic table and an incredible view. And yes, a burn ring. And this isn't a back-end site. You pull in straight. How about that? This campground is very pet friendly, but please pick up after your pet. And with that being said, here is a playpen for your dog. There is a gym located at this campground. Here is an arcade. You will find a bathhouse along with laundromat service. There is quite a bit to do outdoors. A really huge chess set. There's a volleyball court and a swimming pool. You will also find a water park. Here is a campground with a lazy river. here is a really nice playground. There is just so much to do here. Covered social area with picnic tables and a grill. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video, and if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. From Creekfire RV Resort in Savannah, Georgia, this is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.